And then we will move for Miss Madhumali. She is representing Department of Remote Sensing and GIS, Faculty of Geomatics, Sabaragamu University. She is talking about creation of poverty map using GIS. Miss Madhumali. Miss Madhumali. Ah, yes. Okay.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Yoshini Madhumali from Department of Remote Sensing and GIS, Faculty of Geomatics, Sabaragamu University of Sri Lanka. This is my undergraduate research and it is titled Creation of Poverty Map Using GIS. Since the past, poverty is a social problem in the entire world. No poverty is the goal. No poverty is the first goal on the way global sustainability. World Bank illustrates poverty as the inability to attain the minimal standard of living. According to the Sri Lankan context, if the per capita monthly real expenditure is less than the value of official poverty line, then that individual is considered to be in poverty. Uh, Household income and expenditure survey is the main data source to calculate poverty indices for Sri Lanka. The country's first official poverty mapping exercise to measure poverty indices at DS division level was done by collaboration of World Bank and Department of Census and Statistics. Uh, Value of official poverty line and headcount index was used for this. HIEs have been conducted once in 5 years to estimate poverty indicators at national and district level. Uh, if you look at why this kind of research is being done to uh, rank GN divisions when selecting suitable GN divisions for fund allocations. If you look at who benefits from this kind of research, policymakers, researchers, organization involved with the any development projects, how useful to them this kind of research, uh, identifying suitable data by GN level. Let's move to the research problem. The existing poverty map in Sri Lanka does not cover other aspects than economic poverty, and it was created as DS division layer. It does not cover other aspects such as water poverty, sanitation poverty, household access poverty, household position poverty, educational poverty, or health poverty. So that this research tried to create poverty map considering water poverty, sanitation poverty, household access poverty, health facility poverty at GN division level by using census of population and housing data to describe the different level of poverty, such as minimum poverty level and maximum poverty level. The study area of this research was Ratnapura district. Uh, Primary objective was to create unsatisfied basic need poverty map for Ratnapura district by the help of GIS, and sub-objectives were to create water poverty map, sanitation poverty map, household access poverty map, health facility poverty map for Ratnapura district. The chart shows the methodology of this research. To create unsatisfied basic need poverty map, the overlay was done by using water poverty, health facility poverty, sanitation poverty, household access poverty as the inputs, and weights is just under the questionnaire. Uh, these are the water sources that are considered poor and unfit for drinking, and this is the equation of the water poverty. Then health facility poverty. In this research, health facility poverty can be identified as the ability to reach any health facility in Ratnapur district. These are the two for that 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 kilometer multiple buffers was used. Uh, these are the toilet types of toilet facilities that are considered as poor housing unit. This is the equation that used for this. And also, the household assessed poverty was created by using the data of electricity, flooring material, tenure of house, roof materials, walls materials, type of house, type of unit, and the weight switches into the questionnaire. This is the equation of household assessed poverty, and red color shows the weights that are used to create household assessed poverty. Now, results and discussion. Every map from here on out has the same legend. Dark green, low poverty, light green, moderate poverty, white, high poverty, yellow, very high poverty, and red color shows the extremely high poverty. This is the water poverty map. Water poverty was the most affected index to the Ratnapura district among the major indexes of the unsatisfied basic need poverty, because 61% of area was under the extremely high water poverty category, which also has the 275 GN divisions and 39% of total population in Ratnapura district. There are about 12 GN divisions which has the range 99% and 100% of water poverty. 4 of them belongs to Imbulpe DS division, and 3 of them belongs to Kalavana DS division. Also, there are 4 GN divisions which has the low value of poverty. Population percentage belong to Ratnapura DS division. And this is the sanitation poverty map. Yahalavela was only GN division which has more than 50% of sanitation poverty. And also there were 8 GN divisions which has null percentage of sanitation poverty. There are more green patches in all 7 household assessed poverty maps. Green area means low poverty and moderate poverty. You can simply see these maps: electricity poverty map, flooring material poverty map, tenure of house poverty map. In this map, you can see the 2 GN divisions which are in extremely high poverty category. Then roof material poverty map, walls material poverty map, types of house poverty map, and types of unit poverty map. After overlaying those 7 maps, household assessed poverty map was created. There were 6 GN divisions in which has the extremely high household assessed poverty in Ratnapura district. This is the health facility poverty map. As I previously said, those are the buffer distance that used to create health facility poverty map. Then this is the summary of the previous maps. Red color shows the highest value and green color shows the lowest value. Water poverty has the highest extremely high poverty. That means water poverty should be given priority in development projects. And after that, health facility poverty and types of unit poverty should be given priority. This is the final result of this research. As I previously said, green to red represent low poverty, low, moderate, high, very high, and extremely high poverty. This chart shows the unsatisfied basic need poverty as the area percentage. 2% extremely high poverty, 3% very high poverty, 10% high poverty, 43% moderate poverty, and 42% low poverty. There were 6 GN divisions in extremely high unsatisfied basic need poverty category. Those are Yagdehiwala, Kattarikanda, Hapugasthanna, Dahanakanda, Pettigala, and Hormulla. It was special that 2 of above mentioned GN divisions belongs to Ratnapura DS division, Hapugasthanna and Dahanakanda, because Ratnapura is one of the major DS division. And it was another special that 4 from 17 DS division were in extremely high poverty GN divisions. Imbulpe, Ratnapura, Balangoda, and Godakavila. There are many ways to improve this research, considering capacity and facility of the hospitals for the health facility, health of people, and considering the accessibility to the major road by the using road network, and considering the education level at GN division level, considering employed and unemployed population at GN level. Another index can be developed at GN level to rank their sustainability. These maps are useful to identify the poorest GN divisions for government's rural development projects, and updated map can be used to monitor changes in the in poverty incidents over time with the previous poverty maps. And thank you for listening to me, and thank you for Gary for giving me to present.
Thank you very much, Madhumali, for your presentation. This is one of the very key research to be used in Sri Lanka to take some decisions, especially in decision making and also some policy makings. Then I have one clarification about how did you classify these maps? Did you use any criteria? Yes. How did you get the final map? Just adding all these layers together? Yes, this
No,
one.
overlay. Yes.
Overlaying all these maps
Previous
together
four maps.
without giving any weight.
Weight gives from questionnaire.
Ah,
From questionnaire.
okay. Right. Thanks again for your presentation. And then